Interesting. Interesting. On the penny stocks, what's the best amount to put in to make a good amount? Ashton, it's more about there's not a number that anybody can give you. It's what you're comfortable with. Good morning, Justin. Omega, good morning. Doug, good morning. Dave, good morning. Joe, good morning. Emer, good morning. Chefman, good morning. Donald, good morning. Gail, good morning. Ashton, welcome, by the way. Welcome to the community. Jay, good morning. KV, Focus, good morning, guys. Wally, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Well, good evening. Hi. Don't risk more than exactly, right? Yeah. It's not a number that we can give you. It's more so like what you're willing to risk and lose and whatnot. So with stop losses, blah blah blah. Jay, good morning already. So I mean, some people like you might only the expression that you should only put like 10% or what you're willing to lose. I mean, you can still go all in. Like you can say, you know what, I only have $1,000, but I'm gonna go all in, right? But I'm only willing to lose $100, so then I'm gonna put a stop loss at $100, right? If it goes down to this price, I'm gonna get out, right? Instead of only putting in $100, then you're kind of limited to what you can make, right? So you can play around the like how you deal with stuff like that. Good morning, Ray. Blizzy, good morning. With stocks, should I follow the no, again, so just keep watching. As time goes on, you kind of pick up a few things, Ashton. No rush at all. Good morning, guys. So here is your list of pre-market gainers. Most of these names have a catalyst. If you look in Discord in the breaking news channel, you should see news for ONCA. PCSA had news a few days ago. LVTX had news this morning. Uh, and then, yeah, a whole bunch more. So I'm not really going to go into details, but we can take a look at these names as we get closer to the open. It looks like DWAC is actually bouncing. If my charts are frozen. Oh my goodness. It's not letting me. Okay, there we go. Yeah, no, DWAC is kind of bouncing into the open. I think we sold off all the way to 34. Yeah, 34.20, double bottoms, triple bottoms, and it's at 37.50 now. So not too bad of a recovery. Uh, going all in, and sometimes it works. Most time you can cry in your bathtub eating gravy out of a can. Yep. Right. So yeah, DWAC is bouncing there a little bit. Let's see if we can get back to break even on the day. EVAX looks interesting. I just had it up here because it had a really good after hours last night. They don't have any news this morning, but it had a really good after hours. So on the left hand side, that's PCSA. It looks good into the open actually. You have a tiny little double top, a tiny little. You have a double top at 373, and it looks like that's what it's going for. So 373 for PCSA. Mark, good morning. Ayo. So 370-ish is your resistance. Uh, yeah, spoke on spike on news. Yeah. PC. Um, ONCO. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, Jack X looks interesting too, but the only thing that looks well, I mean, it's holding 10 cents, so that's a good thing. Maybe a double top as well. Yeah, we might have to be waiting. ONCO. Yeah, that's not bad though. That's impressive. That's 200% before the market opens. But it is a double top. Yeah, 47 cents, Justin. I hate when double tops are so close to 50 cents because even if we break above 47 cents, it's like, okay, well, we have 50 cents. So how much do we get out of this? But yeah, so double tops for ONCO. So that's another one to watch going into the open. So again, resistance at 47 cents and then 50 cents. PCSA, we have a whole lot of resistance at 373-ish. 370, we can call it 370 if we want to, right? Because we really haven't had any candles that have closed above that level. So yeah, it did, Doug. That's a really nice run. It's a very nice run. A very, very nice run. So they had good news. Stock said, hey guys, drop and breakouts. Boom skis. It's a nice run. Interesting. Okay, what's the S&P doing this morning? SPY. I bet you it's green. 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 Yep, SPY's green again. Another morning, more greenness. Minimum potential isn't much of a setup. Yeah, exactly, exactly, Justin. So the S&P is green again. And was the wheel right, guys, about Tesla? The wheel was right about Tesla. Tesla got destroyed, like squeezed, destroyed, crumpled, and thrown in the garbage. Anyways, what is LabVIEW doing here? Because I know Mark is smiling, smiling, smiling. Okay, interesting. That was a nice test this morning, Mark. Okay, let's see what it does at the open. The whole, yeah, yeah. Doug loves these penny stocks. Did me wonderful this morning. Yeah, he loves these penny stocks. CM, good morning. Loves them. So yeah, it looks like we're still testing and failing at resistance for PCSA. So nothing to see there yet until we break out. I hope it does break out though at some point. The volume isn't too bad. Other than that, so again, PCSA looks interesting. DWAC is failing at resistance. ONCO failing at the double top as well. So most of these things are failing at resistance. You're looking for an entry deal. TCNNF. Could you mark our few resistance levels? Good morning, Brent. Ayo, ayo. Sure. Sure. This is a penny stock, isn't it? TCNNF. Yep, OTC stock at least. Well, not a penny stock, but OTC. Yeah, anything with an F at the end or Q. So it looks like you're approaching your first resistance level there. Like you're sitting right on it. So $8.30, and then you're looking for 8.50. But yeah, so 8.30 and then 8.50, Dale. And then after that, you have a little bit more room to the upside. That is a nice breakout though, just because again, if you look to the left hand side, we had that rally and then we struggled at 785, like right here, right, 785, right there. What happened? We crashed, and then you go a little bit to the right hand side again, right? It's kind of the same level, right? 780 this time, and then we crashed again. So it's nice that it broke above. So what you need to have happen today is just stay green. If this thing can stay above 820, which is looks like it's going to open above, that's a good thing. Your next resistance is still 830 though, 830 and then 850, and then you're looking for like closer to 9 after that. Jeff, JPQ. Yeah, JPQ is gapping up again today. It looks really good, but it's also at all-time highs. So I wish it wasn't because I wanted more, Jeff. I wanted more. Um, Especially since we're getting close to like the end of the end of the month and the dividend date, right? But yeah, I wanted more. But again, so yeah, J.P. Morgan, Nasdaq, Premium Income, blah blah blah, whatever they call it. So it looks really good. Like it's done really well with the S&P, with the markets going up. Or yeah, so and it's a nice dividend. It's a nice dividend, Jeff. Right? Oh, stay away. No, no, no. So I mean like OTC stuff. OTC means like, OTC means like it's been delisted. It's on the like rubbish exchange. This is different though. Yeah. If it does crash, then yes, I will be for sure. Yeah. Yep. The Q. Yeah. I think this is one of the positions we talked about with Joe as like long term stuff. Jobs data. I think. Let me take a look. Choo, choo, choo. How much time do we have? Okay, 20 minutes. Choo, 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 JP Morgan plans to add a headcount in a strong year. Interesting. Speaking of JP Morgan and JPQ, Jeff, they're bullish on the market this year. La, 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 la. La la la. U.S. consumer. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so jobless claims. 13-week continuing claims 20 plus 27. La 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 la. And then GDP 3.3 versus 4.9 previous. La, 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 la. I mean, it looks like the market's loving it all. Mark. The market is. I always look at this data honestly, and it seems highly questionable. Yeah, we added more claims than expected. Yeah, we did. So on the in the one here we have plus 27, and then in the other one we have yeah. So continuing claims plus 27 thousand. Right? So U.S. 13-week jobless claims revised to 189,000. So the market doesn't seem like the market just market go up. Yeah, GDP up monies. So there you go. Which should you play? Choices. I mean, the one that looks better, the one that looks like they're both at resistance, right? So PCSA is at resistance. It needs to break above 370. Right? So it's not a matter of picking, and then same thing. It's almost like identical, right? They're both at resistance. Um, yeah, it's still trying to help, right? Let me. So yeah, that's PCSA. It looks good, right? It's still sitting at the top, but it's at resistance. So we're gonna need to break out of that little range then. Oh, that's not what I want. Interesting. Okay, there we go. Speculation at all-time highs for just like all the gold companies trying to get people to buy while it's at all-time highs. Yeah, exactly, Jeff. How about CRGE? Let me take a look. CRGE. Nah, 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 nah. Hmm. Hmm. Honestly, Wes, until this thing decides to give us I do like that consolidation at 17 cents. So if that's something you're looking at, cool. But I also don't like how you're just trending down here. Like it's a clear downtrend. So until that thing breaks out of that little downtrend, it's a bit concerning. So I would maybe just be watching this one and say, okay, like when can we break and retest, right? So we're failing right there, failing right there, failing right there, failing right there, failing right there. We're testing it again. If we can break out of there, then that's good. Right, break retest, that would be nice. Good morning, Nas. But yeah, for now it's bounced off 17 cents. So maybe a double bottom, maybe like this, and then our second test. If we do that the second time, I think it's gonna break it, or just break it now. Right? So I'm gonna leave it up there though. and then we can come back from time to time. So SXTC looks interesting. You have a nice little base closer to like 220 NAS, which obviously it's bounced off that level. I'm not sure where your position is. Let me know. Your next resistance is 250. Alrighty, 250. So 220, kind of a support. You have a nice close to that level for a double bottom. You have the 200 and a demand zone, so that's good. But yeah, Bunny support. So you kind of have a double pivot at the 50 EMA, close to $3, like 307 ish. Yeah, close to that level. Close to that level. You're welcome. So if we can stay above that, then that's cool. But we're getting close to the open. These levels can be quite misleading into the open. So if we can get there and it looks like it's consolidating and it's curling, then that's perfect. For now, let's see. Right, and then ultimately we're going to need to break again. Like we have that double top, so hopefully nobody bought at that double top because they're trying to catch a breakout. Right, you do not catch a breakout until it actually breaks, otherwise you just end up screwing yourself, you know. So yeah, hopefully we can find a way to curl, start to curl maybe above the 9. It's playing with the VWAP here, which is interesting. So we might not even get to like 310, 307, $3. We might just bounce off the VWAP, but just give it time. And then again, Jack X had news, but that thing is it really isn't responding to anything. The other one that we liked earlier this morning was LVTX, right? LVTX, lava. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like lava bounced already off a yeah, there it is. Right. So this is just a typical breakout retest. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, you got in. Yeah, Brent, what did you get in at? Right. So when we said like when I said closer to like so that 30, so the 36, the 35 level we talked about, Brent, was right here. But if we break below that level, then you're looking for close to this range, which is the breakout, right? Which is right there. So there goes LVTX, right, with a breakout and a retest, and it's going back for that 46 level already. So LVTX looks nice. I like these retests. I like when it's obvious. It's like, okay, you know what? This is where we could go to. This is your breakout. This is your potential bounce. And you don't have to catch it at the bottom. You don't have to catch it at the bottom. You could wait for it to test that level, and it looks like it's holding, and then it's curling back up, and then you make a decision. Right? Exactly, Justin. So yeah, not too bad. Andre, yes, please. Musty, hello, hello. Yeah, yeah. Anywhere from 246 to 250, Justin. Anywhere in between that range. Good morning, Lion. There you go. Mm. Uh, oh, I completely forgot about this. Mm, I just wanted to. Okay, sounds good. Slacking. Lincoln, good morning. Nice to meet you. I'm Jeff. So you got in at four. You got in at 240. Okay. Yeah, you're pretty damn close to resistance there. So you need a break above 250. Need a nice breakout. No. Yeah, what happens when volume comes in? Yeah, if we can break above 246, 250 at the open, and then I think that's a good thing. Or even just a higher low now instead of breaking down. I think that would be good. What's PCSA doing? Still holding? Yeah, it's still trying to hold here, but trying. ONCO still dipping? Yeah, still dipping. 43 cents. And look at what's happening here with CRGE. It's still failing at the exact same downtrend, right? So there's nothing happening here yet with this one. Nothing happening. Anyways, we have 10 minutes left, guys. So if you have a question, if you're holding something and you need help, if you're looking at something and you need levels, please ask. So when we get to the open, you kind of know what you are looking at. So yeah, EVAX again. I'm gonna leave this one up here just because it had a really good day yesterday, and for some reason it's still holding $10. It doesn't have the best volume with on like in these candles now, but I'll leave it up there just because. DWAC failed to get back to $38. What's Fun doing? Fun is at 32. Yeah. Surprise, surprise, no people honestly just waiting for these events. And once they come, these things have to sell off a little bit, right? Uh, I had the chicken biscuit with with hash browns. uh, And also, do I start buying now or when the market opens? Ashton, you have a lot to learn. I would say just watch and paper trade, Ashton. Paper trade. So a few rules for you. It's not like it will never be obvious which one you should put monies like in. And I will try my best not to make it obvious. Um, I'll take a look at CYN. Alrighty, so what you want to do going into the open is you want to look at a few things, right? So your goal for now should be finding a strategy, right? So not the stock, you're not looking for a stock, you're looking for a strategy, right? So once you learn your strategy, you can put up three stocks and say, you know what, I'm looking at these three stocks, which fits my strategy. Like, am I looking for a double bottom? I don't see that. Am I looking for a breakout? I don't see that, right? So you're looking for a strategy more than a specific stock to play with. Alrighty. And should you buy them before the market opens or after the market opens? Well, again, that goes back to the strategy, right? So for now, I would say like open up a paper trading account and play with these names as we talk about them and see, right? Which you like. If you like pre-market, if you like the market open, it's usually better when the market opens. After the market opens, you give it a few minutes for the levels to become quite clear, and then you play. Alrighty. Otherwise, you're playing with a lot of like dangerous things. I can tell you're excited though, but be very careful. Okay, let me look at CYN. CYN. Yeah, CYN is approaching 2220 resistance there. So you're pretty damn you're getting close to resistance. Alrighty. So nice little consolidation at 21, right? So we can dip back to 21 maybe, right? But you're pretty damn close to that left hand side fail level, right? Pretty damn close. You could potentially sell off to this price or you could pump to this price. And then what happens if we fail? So risk reward, it's a bit, yeah, crazy. Joe has some crazy gas station food. Boiled eggs at the, yeah, and monies. Under the, this time, in case it wins at all, Andre, yeah. Oh, for sure. We're gonna keep talking about DWAC and fun. Right? These two names are not well, and Rumble and the other names, like these names are not going anywhere. It's just they will sell off and then they will pump again when we go into the next event. Right? So there goes LVTX, guys. Again, surprise? No, we have resistance right there. Right? Resistance, we sell off. So when you're looking at something like that, you always have to ask, okay, risk reward. Like if I buy this price, how much can I make versus how much can I lose if we go back to support? Right? ONCO, nothing happening there yet. PC, yeah, PC, buddy. I know you were asking about this one. It's still holding up there, isn't it? Still holding up. PCSA, yeah. Can enter you? It's true. I found out the hard way. Or Jeff, yes, we've all been entered multiple times, So yeah, these stocks will enter you. Warrants. Yeah, let's see what happens here if we Actually break above 330 and stay above 330. Okay, let's see here. Actually, that's a really good idea. Interesting. Um, LVTX, yeah, no, they had news with Merck. News. I mean, yeah, again, let's see what happens at the open, though. Unbelievable, Jeff. That's a problem. Yeah, yeah. Too much info. Yeah. Anyways, again, so we have 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Question for you guys in the chat: what's your favorite name going into the open? Favorite name going into the open? Captain of the ship. I just, yeah, just, yeah. Well, degraded. Uh, what's your favorite name going into the open? What are you looking? What are you watching closest? What are you looking at? 42. 42. Okay. PCSA, Sahil. Okay. PCSA. And if ONCO can hold 42, yeah, 42 is that nice little breakout. If we can stay above it, yeah, for sure. LVTX, yeah, LVTX looks like it's trying to get back up to 240. Yeah, a lot of you guys like LVTX. Yeah, there are a whole bunch of names. Oh my goodness, that thing broke out and said goodbye, goodbye. Wes, hopefully you played this. Hopefully you're watching it. As soon as it broke out, like as soon as that thing broke out, it said goodbye. CRGE. Not that it's a massive run, but yeah. Yep. Yep. And Rumble? Okay, sounds good. That's a nice little pop. ONCO, CY, look at that. CYN came right back down, just like we mentioned, right? So if CYN can stay above 21 cents, then that's not too bad. So when you're watching something that's like right there and you're looking for an entry, the question is, okay, this is my potential, this is my reward. This is how much I could potentially make. If I lose that though, if I buy at that price, where's my support? All the way down to where we drew the arrow, right? So risk reward, not quite worth it. Yeah. So there goes PCSA. Looking good, trying to curl. Trying to curl. I do like what PCSA is doing into the open here actually. Oh yeah, that thing is popping. Who voted for PCSA? You can high five yourself. Like, hey, like, are you green on Rumble or the stock itself went green? YIBO, Richie. Okay. YIBO. High five, Sahil. Yeah, EVAX is back to break even, but the spread is ridiculous. Yeah, Rumble is waking up. Yeah, let me pull up Rumble. Less than a minute. Yep. 20 cents. Not too bad, actually. Not bad at all. Cool. And the S&P is still holding up there in the greens. Dan? Yeah, Dan. Yeah. For some reason, I disconnected there for a second. Hopefully that fixes itself really quickly here, because that's looking a bit fishy. Okay. Kimbella, good morning. Yeah, Dan has amazing music. To 17, but out below. Okay, sounds good. So LVTX is still dropping. There goes PCSA, guys. It's 380. Ooh, that looks nice. But again, let's see if that thing can actually stay above 370 at the open here. Like if the candle actually does close above. Ready? Okay, there we go. I think we're reconnecting. It goes 390. It goes 394, 398. 399. That is a nice little breakout, isn't it? Even though the candle hasn't closed yet and it's still the open, which is a double like scary moment. Fat green candles at the open on a breakout, but that looks good. All right, so $4, and there goes the break above $4, and unable to close above $4, but a break above, back above 4. It would be nice. It will be nice though, if we can retest that level at some point. But nope, the candles are just hitting highs after highs. So that was a nice breakout. 370. You took some profits and ran. Congratulations. Yeah, twice. Good job. There goes new highs. 415, and then back down. That thing skips a lot. My goodness. That thing skips a lot. Other than that, though, I don't see anything else. Yeah, Justin, quick time. Well done. Good job. Right. So that was a nice breakout. The candle actually did close, and then the next candle hit new highs, and it's still going for new highs of the day. Right. So, you got stopped out of SOXL. Okay. There goes 419. 420 is usually a problem level, but for some reason we have the resistance a little bit higher. So let's see if we. I mean, it does look like we're breaking 420, 425, 426. It's a nice breakout. I wish stuff like that would be a little bit slower so we can catch it easier. But and there goes your drop. It's always scary with profits. Well done, Wes. It's always scary when you have these nice gap ups at the open like this, when you have these nice breakouts at the open, because you know it's gonna come back down. It's a full retest. But it's a good setup. Like it's a good setup. You just don't want it to happen immediately at the open. But yeah, that's nice. Nice. I mean, that play, nice consolidation, almost a double bottom, right? And then a breakout. So let's see if we can stay above the 9 now. Stay above the 9. Other than that, CYN again came back down to 21 cents and it held for now. It's back to 21.50. LVTX looks like it's retesting the bottom of the range, right? So we failed at the top resistance, and then we're back to the bottom of the range. It's not really consolidating yet though, so kind of wait for that consolidation on LVTX. Alrighty, cool. PCSA is back to 420, and then ONCO still looks like it's curling nicely. Yeah, it's some nice volatility candles there, even though it looks a bit crazy. Candles are all over the place there, Justin. Typical morning chaos. Should I have it at least one share? Could squeeze one day? Yeah, that damn thing is $200 though, buddy. I know what you mean, and it's done really well. But dang, $200. $200. $200. There we go. RVSN. Okay. I want to see if we break above 430 on this next candle here, or if that becomes a double top fail and then back to 390. 420. Okay, fine, fine. I'll take a look. RVSN. Fine. Yeah, it's halted. It's halted. You know what's impressive though? I like when you have some of these names that yes they're pumping one day, but then the following day they're doing the same thing. Because this is not the first day that this damn thing is pumping. This is the third day now, right? Crazy day on Tuesday, Wednesday crazy day, and today it's pumping again. That's always nice. At least for the people that are holding bags, you can find ways to get out. Yeah, that's a nice pop. It's halted right at resistance though. That's one thing I do not like. So 650 is your next resistance there, Brent and Bondi. Next resistance. Alrighty, there goes CYN. So if you got into CYN at 21 cents, you're very happy because that thing is pushing for 23 cents. Highs of the day, not including pre-market. It's a nice pop. Right, so and this thing is performed exactly as we talked about it in pre-market, right? You have your double top at 20 22 cents, so then when it's sitting at 20 21.80, you don't want to touch it. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for support, right? That thing came right back down to support, right back to the same level, right? And then said goodbye, pop. So CYN looks really good. uh let's go, Omega. Beautiful. Omega says, "Yep, I have 21 cents entry. That's amazing." Right? Your next resistance now is just 23. You have a lot of supply, 23 cents. Right? So, but it looks really, really good. Alrighty. Uh Good outs, body cam. What do you mean? What do you mean good outs? What do you mean? What do you mean? Good morning, Gail. Okay, search. Good number to get out. You're in at $3. Oh my goodness, you have a really good entry. You can pick a number. You can pick whatever number you want. It has a lot of resistance here, anywhere above like 420. And it's been stalling for the last five candles, even though it still looks good and it's holding the nine. But you can pick. You can close your eyes and say, you know what, like I want, I want this price. Just set a stop loss. Right? Pick a number you're happy with the gain, like in terms of gains, and say, you know what, if I sold at this price, I would be happy, and then put a stop loss. Alrighty, that's what I would do. Greg is on fire. Yeah, Greg is on fire. Na, na, na. Greg is on fire. That's why Greg is called Lightning Greg. I like it. Yeah, CYN. It's trying to break out. Hasn't quite done it yet though. It's trying to. CYN. So na, 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 na. I would 222, 225. Yeah, Bunny's smiling. ZJYL. I would, again, body cam. I would pick a number. I would say, you know what? If I sold at this price, this would be the gains. And then I would set a stop loss at that price. Alrighty. I Yeah. I mean, from a technical point of view, all we need to do is maybe come back and retest 370 and then stay above 370. Right. For now, it looks really good because it's holding the nine. Right? But it also looks like it's stalling below 420. So if we break below the nine, then yeah, that could be a level we go back and retest. And there goes again 420. So it looks really good. Like it's holding up, right? It's holding up really well. Already this morning. Let's go, Justin. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, CYN is still fighting here. Fighting the 23 cents. 427. 428. 435. There goes new highs. And then right back to the abyss. So it looks like that thing has a lot of issues. If we go below the 9, I think you have a yeah. Yeah. This candle is becoming very common. One of those candles where it looks like it's a breakout, but then immediately becomes a scam candle. Yep, it's becoming quite common. And you lost $500. Okay, well maybe don't maybe like if you recover that $500 in PCSA, put that stop loss at the very minimum, the loss from yesterday, right? Which I bet you you have with the whole dollar move. You know. And it's tanking. ONCO. Yeah, ONCO just never. Yeah, dang. You know what's crazy is that thing hit it like exactly, but I think your order might have been yeah. Yep. Yeah, right at resistance there, Justin. Right. So next support closer to 36 cents. And then it looks like LVTX came back down to retest the 200 at 217, and it looks like it's kind of holding, right? Kind of holding there. What's the S&P doing? Of course, it's still green. CRGE West, exact same level, right? 17 again, and it's still bouncing up 17. So that's a nice retest. Well, the PCSA had to come back and retest at some point. Like it had to come back and retest. Unhalted for RVSN, yeah, that thing hit $7. Brent, yep, it did. Unhalted $7 and then back down to 660. And it's trying to go back up. Rumble, watch for $5.55 for your support. 555, 560. It's being a pain. Yeah, there's a lot of resistance though. A lot of resistance. So here comes our PCSA getting close to that 70 level we talked about, right? So far we've tested 376. Right? At some point we have to come back and retest these breakouts. AD, good morning. Right? At some point we break out, we have to come back and retest, and that's exactly what it's doing. But 100 shares only because you bought 2 minutes before the market opened. Oh, Richard, okay, you're just being safe. There's nothing wrong with that. As long as you made money, there's nothing wrong with that. PCSA. Yes. La 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 la. Yep. There you go. So yeah, the bottom of this candle was 74, 374, which is almost yeah. Go charge. Is it pumping? Yeah, there you go. There you go, Wes. Right, beautiful bottoms. Beautiful bottoms. 19 cents. All you need to do now is I don't know if that thing has the just because of the way it moves, like the fat green candles and the fat red candles. I don't know if that thing can get to 20 cents, but hopefully. When SpaceX IPO? When SpaceX IPO coming? When? That thing's not coming. It's not coming. It's not coming. I think Elon is lying to us, Is there anybody in the chat that doesn't like Elon? Tevin, yes. Tevin, yes, before we no, 21.87. Okay. Oh, Wes, you might actually get to 20 cents. Might actually get to 20 cents. Kivella says me. Justin says me. We love Elon. Musty doesn't like Elon. No, Musty believes in Elon. He's a child, but I don't hate. Heyo, Vic. Heyo. What do I think of Tesla? Yeah, Tesla looks like it's looking for 180. I think anything close to 180 potentially could be a good longer term buy. So yeah, I think these are nice dips. He just needs to stop talking. Yeah, I don't want to roast Elon, but anyways, I'm liking Elon less and less. Less and less. Every day I like Elon less and less. But 80, come on, say something. Anyways, yeah, no, RVSN looks like it's trying to break above $7 there. So Brent, that's your next little wall. Little supply. $7, 710. It looks like, yeah, it's about to break it. And there it goes. New high, 723. So that's a nice run. And Boomskis, yeah, it looks really good. Congratulations, Brent. I'm not sure what your entry price is, but I think you're happy. You're out of it? You're out? Wow, congrats. Good job. It's a nice little scalpy. Elon is an alien? No. La, 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 la. I'm still going to sneak over and on the side of the rockets. You should kill. Maybe it's gonna help maybe it's gonna help Elon. Army after you, Michael. Yeah, no, yeah. He became a wealthy version of Trump. Yeah, I like Elon less. Doesn't mean I don't like him. I just like him less. Anyways, I would like for PCSA to consolidate and curl back above the 9 here for pushback to $4. I like the retest. I just want to see a curl. So 370, 80. Well, I don't think line is wrong though. Like I don't think line is wrong. Elon has become anyways. So CYN is still holding that 21, still fighting for 23. So hopefully it breaks above that level. RVSN is still pumping. Oh, you got in at 6? Okay, that's a really good run. Brent, congratulations. Yeah, from 6 to 7 something. It's pumping. Like every candle is a higher low candle. That's very, very nice. What? Michael, you Michael is gifting memberships with my goodness. How is this working, Michael? Michael, thank you very much. There goes RVSN. Michael, you're not a member. You should become a member. My goodness. Huh. Michael is gifting memberships without being a member. It's like, come on, let's go. 780. Beautiful. Okay, thank you, Michael. Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. There goes 788. Congratulations, Nas, and anybody else that's holding RVSN. That thing looks amazing. Wow. And it's halted again at 788. 788. And now it looks like PCSA is holding the level that we needed to, right? So that 370. So, and there goes 390. So again, beautiful, right? So push, retest. And now it's going back for $4 as expected, right? So $3.99, $4, 402. So it's a breakout retest. I bet you CM is in this one. CM, I bet you FOMO'd into this thing because of the retest. Right? So when something breaks like this, you can either chase it or you can wait for the retest. Right? Like we have our resistance right there, right? And then we have the breakout and run. You can either try and chase that or you wait for the retest. And then it's trying to curl. There goes 410. 411. 412. 78. There you go, Lori. So just don't go red again. Do not go red. And CRGE, Wes is smiling because it's almost at 20 cents. Yeah. Na, 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 na. And then could you talk a bit about an exit on RVSN, second day where I exit a bit too soon? Yeah, sure. So the one thing that I look at, like if you make monies, that's always a win. That's a win, 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 win. PCSA is popping really nicely there. That's a very nice bounce, right? So 425 now, so perfection when it comes to technicals, right? And that thing is about to go test highs, and there it is, highs of the day. Well, not quite highs of the day, but that same resistance, $4, and there goes high. Oh my goodness, guys! Whoa, $4.80. Whoa, talk about a retest. That is perfection. It's halted up. That thing is halted up. $4.79. That is perfection. Right? Again, beautiful technicals. We have our double top, we have the breakout, we have the retest of the breakout, we have the curl. You don't have to buy at the bottom, you just have to buy the curl. And then boom. My goodness. Right? It's say bye-bye. Bye-bye. So now let's on halt at $5. Let's go, Frank. If you're holding PCSA, type in yes in the chat. Type in 133%. It's halted. It might say suspended, but it's halted. It's a volatility halt on RVSN and yeah. Like they say they kind of interchanged both words, like halted and suspended. Either way, it doesn't really matter. Let's go, Frank. Let's go, Frank. What's your entry? Just a pump. I wonder if someone's buying, try to take over or something. Michael, I would just play the technicals, play the fundament, just play the technicals, and if someone does buy it out, then amazing. If it, yeah, got in before the open. You read the news. Okay, nice. 410. Well done. Congratulations. Just don't go red, right? Don't go red, please. Should your stop loss be Eddie? Should your stop loss be 416? Absolutely not. Absolutely not, Eddie. Unless you're in some really nice gains and you're like, you know what, I don't mind 416 for stop loss. Your stop loss should be way higher than that. Way, way higher than 416. Yeah, 56. I like your stop loss. Right. So yeah, I think you should be aggressive with those stop losses. Aggressive. Wes, congratulations. CRGE looks good. Looks good. CYN could not break above 23, so it's sold off. LVTX looks like it's holding the 200, which is nice, right? So we're waiting for on halts. So there goes LVTX. LVTX is like, hey guys, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn, my turn. Wait for me, right? So 200 bounce, and then a nice little push. That thing is obviously going to struggle at resistance here at 236, just because that's the opening price. So just be aware of that. So Brent, you were asking earlier in terms of stop losses. Again, you sold in profit, so no regrets there. Another thing you can think of is, well, I mean, if you look at these candles, right? So they're consistently giving you higher lows. Like it's unhalted now and it's dropping a little bit. So supply zone and drop. So the one thing that I do like about this on the way up is that you can kind of see how it's riding the blue line, like the 9 EMA. Like it's just going, it's just riding it, right? And then it's giving you these higher lows on the candles. Like every candle is higher than the last candle and the last candle and the last candle. So then you can just decide and get rid of it if one of those, you know, decides not to hold. Alrighty, so RVSN is unhalted. It unhalted at 788-ish, same price. It's always annoying when it unhalts at the same price because then it's not gapping up. And then I think people get scared, right? And then immediate drop, retesting the 9 now. So, yeah. You said your profit take at 480. Good thing it halted at 79. So then your stop loss is your do you okay? Yeah, let's see. You're welcome, Brent. Welcomes. La 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 la. 8 minutes. Perfect. Come on, give us an on halts. Give us an on halts, please, and thank you. La la la. Eight 852. Wow. Okay. It's on halted, guys. We're back to 470, 479. I think we actually hit 480 on that candle. Yep. 470. Come on. Come on. There goes $5. Ooh wee. There goes 525. There goes 530. Oh my days. That thing is on fire. 569, guys. 570. Oh wow. So again, don't forget to pay yourself, guys. Pay yourself on the way up. 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 Right. So current highs are $5.70 ish. 570 ish. So RVSN looks like it's going back up, retesting the view up and going back above $7. That's not too bad. CM, did you get into this or no? Did you get in or no? And there it goes a drop below $5. So volatility to be expected. Yeah, I'm surprised it didn't get halted, Lion. I'm surprised it didn't get halted at 570. It threw you out? Okay. It's five. So you got in at 479 to 68. Oh yeah, the halts. Yeah, CMM. Yeah, because I knew you'd be looking for like the retest of the breakout or the curlies or the next breakout. Yeah. ONCO still dropping, guys. So can that thing stay above 36 cents? That's the question now. And then CYN failed at resistance and came back down. LVTX not really doing much. Okay, back to PCSA. PCSA. Filed for an offering 2 days ago, but is that complete? Let me take a look. So they had new news. These guys are going to need monies, right? So they're going to need monies. The problem is if you hold this thing overnight, West, right? Companies like these need monies, right? Companies like these need monies. So yeah. Na, 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 na. There you go. Announces yeah, so news like these, they're going to need to do an offering at some point. But again, it becomes a problem if you're holding something that, I mean, if you're holding anything that's up 200% overnight, you have a problem, right? Up 3,000 on a PSCA, PCSA, CMD, CMND going. Yes. Well done, Richard. Well done. That was a nice copy for you. 550 from 408. Well done. Congratulations. Well done. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Take a second and smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Alrighty. CON is still selling off. So lows of the day. So hopefully that stop loss was in the green, Wes, which I bet you it was. I bet you it was. Yeah, LVTX has been a slacker all day today. Actually, it's been the slowest one, and ONCO is really not holding. Really not holding. I'm impressed how well PCSA. I mean, we've had these crazy candles go to 570, but like the bottom of the candles though are still kind of consistently rising, which is nice. Even though it's stalling, like we know we have resistance anywhere between like 550 and 570. Lots of resistance. Sounds good, Richard. That was a nice way to go back to work. Yeah. On long-term shareholder value and quotes. Yep. It really is. If a company has to remind you that they're focused on shareholder value, yeah, they're lying to you. They are lying to you. Uh, hmm. Interesting range for this one. Interesting range for that thing. Of 20 pre-market highs. Okay, sounds good. Proposed an offering 2 days ago. 2 million shares plus warrants. Yeah. So there you go. Be very careful with this thing. Be very, very careful because these guys were ready. They're ready to do an offering. They are ready to do an offering, right? So yeah, they are ready. uh, 6 million in a yeah. So yeah. So make sure you have you're not diamond handing this, and then tomorrow you're like tomorrow you're like but right. So if you hold stuff overnight and then they do an offering and then you have a problem. Then you have a problem. There you go. For now, it's fighting. Like it needs to break out there. Listen to the show. They were meeting. Next year though, maybe you just yeah, Michael. Yeah, Tesla is. I told you, like I don't like Elon. He's gonna not be happy. Don't like Elon. Don't like the guy. 33. No, 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 no. Yeah, the earnings was it really was. He just misunderstood. Um, hmm. Misunderstood. You used to like Elon. You had him riding a Doge. I know. See, like I did Wes. I used to like Elon, but then he became too like he became too like social. It's weird. He became too he we love Elon. Hmm. And then Elon became like the godfather of social media. Yeah, yeah. Over Bezos any day. Yeah, yeah, exactly, Ron. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, he is Michael. Yeah. When Tesla gets back to 300, maybe I'll like Elon again, you know? But for now, yeah. He became a character of Jersey Shore. You're not wrong. Like, honestly, you're not wrong. Like, yeah, we like genius Elon, you know, like in the background, you know, doing the magic, making magic. That's the Elon we like, you know? Elon that's changing the world and making you optimistic for the future, you know? We like that Elon. Social media Elon, not so much. Not so much. And then he started spamming Twitter, Discord with rubbish. It's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Around the Elon has a team of people that actually operate his company. A social figure, he's important. Yeah, I know. I I know, Josh. I know, and yeah, and that's something he said. And I've watched like multiple interviews of him, like saying exactly that. People. You know, and you have to when you have that many companies, the people are amazing. Still though, still, I like Elon to stay away from social media. you know. Anyways, nah, nah. Yeah, nah, 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 nah. I would I would I change? Ron says, yeah, just like me, I misunderstood. No, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you bought some Tesla shares. Yeah, these are nice discounts. Nice discounts. Priming for another run. Next breakout level, John. What's your position? What's your position? So it looks like we hit resistance, guys. Hopefully you're paying yourself on the way up. And yeah, Jack. Well, I mean, Mara is at 1634. Okay, just off the scanner. Very low volume. Yeah, JL. Yeah, the IPO. You're in at 11 cents. Okay, I'll take a look. Where's resistance? So anywhere between 550 and 570. Yeah, it looks like like it came back down and consolidated a little bit, and it's going back up. RVSN. So same resistance though. So $7.80. Cannot speak truth in no, exactly. I think like there's nothing wrong with like what Elon is saying, and I've said this multiple times. Like I feel like Elon is saying things that we want him to say, right? Exactly what we want him to say. It's different when when it starts affecting the market, though. Then you're like, you know what, Elon, you know what, yeah. So that's it, though. Like he's not doing anything wrong. But then the people, the power that be, will fight, right? Yeah. Anyways. Okay, let me take a look at. The question was for. It's so much fun to roast Elon. Oh my goodness. VLCN. VLCN. Nah, nah, nah. You're in at 11 cents. Okay, you're green, which is good, which is always good. You got in at 11 cents. Okay, your entry isn't too bad. We actually haven't been to 11 cents today, so yeah. You're in a good spot, Ron. Right? The low of today is 12.15, so honestly, I would just put a stop loss slightly below that, and then you have nothing to worry about. Alrighty? Nothing to worry about. Nah, nah, nah. 27. Interesting levels. PCSA. AFIB is running. Okay. Um, John, hopefully that answers your question already. AFIB is running fast. Yeah, not too bad. 53%. Not bad at all. Uh, yeah. Concerns that affects, yeah. No, exactly. That, I mean, that's how it is, though, Josh. That's how it's always going to be. I see. I have no idea. I have no idea. Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. So it's still at 550. You think it's dropping so hard? No, no, no. So PCSA is not at 550. I mean, it's back to 520. What I meant was like this resistance between that level. Yeah, yeah, resistance between that level. Alrighty, that's it. Na, 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 na. Let's go, Michael. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to the vibes. Glad you remember now. Here we go. Oh, perfect. Anyways, yeah, no, PCSA is what's your stop loss at? Because I know you have a really good entry. What's your stop loss at though? I'm terrible with the names sometimes, but you know who I'm referring to. La, 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 la. Sahil, what's your stop loss at? There goes your 540 with 70 cent candles. I mean, these candles are not 70 cents. Not 70 cents, right? Not 70 cents. Okay, let me take a look at. Mera. La la. La 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 la. Yeah, let me look at some of these. Yeah, your time frame. Yeah. Let me look at some of these crypto names here. Mera showed up on the scanner here. So, what's Bitcoin at? Still below 40. Okay. Feel like the Meras and the CLSKs. These things are all ready to go back up. You know, CLSK. Slightly green. Oh wow, yeah, it's actually very green. 4%, not too bad. So these names are bouncing while the not bad. What's Wolf at? Terra Wolf, exact same chart, obviously. $1.50. What does the daily look like? Not too bad. Not too bad of a bottom. $1.30. Yeah, as long as that thing stays above $1.50, actually, I don't mind it. $1.50. Wolf. We need the crypto run again. CYN with another run, Wes. Another run. Mimo. Here comes Donald. Wait, as soon as you mention Mimo, Donald is gonna show up. No, Donald has been here. Uh, la, 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 la. Sevens. Ding ding. Ding ding. No, 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 no. Nothing happening there. That one still looks good. Okay. Yeah, slowly. Actually, the candles are just consistently rising, which is nice. So that same resistance, no, 23 cents, Josh. 23 cents. Nice. You on phase this week? Okay, let me take a look at phase. Phase red. I'm surprised these guys didn't do an offering. Very surprised. So we went from 28 cents to 34 cents. Okay. Are you still holding that same position, Donald, from like the 20s? The 20s? What's Mimo actually doing here? 22 cents, 21%. Actually, this thing goes all the... Yeah. Not bad. Multiple runs from the same area. Multiple runs. This one's been slow. Slow. You got back in at 28? Okay. Nice. Nice. Yeah, you need to break above 35 cents. Above 35 cents is what you need to break above. CYN looks like it's ready to break out this time, hopefully. The spread is still ridiculous though, but yeah. Cryptos, we was buying our cryptos. Red is inside of the you're buying some cryptos? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Cryptos, buying the dipskis. Buying the dipskis. Okay. Cool. Ah, 93. Oh yeah, that thing is pumping, isn't it? Pumping. I was looking at the 10% discount or better on all items. It's like Black Friday. Yeah, I was looking at the wolf chart there again. So that's a nice run. It's a very nice run. A very nice run, Greg. Yeah, BA has been BA is getting production of the Boeing 7 whatever Max. I think they suspended production. So okay, 220. Let me take a look. TC. Yeah. No, that's a real, like, it's a nice bottom and it's holding up really well. The only issue is that like it seems to lack the volume on the push. If the volume does come in, that could be really nice. Yeah. Slacks volume. La la la. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. La, 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 la. Ayo, what's good, homie? Ayo, ayo. What's up, what's up, what's up, Mindy? Hi, how are you? How are you, how are you? Okay, I just need to close that out. Seven. Cool. Oh, your gold coin? Oh, yeah. YouTube says, no, that's a, yeah, CM? Yeah. No, you should be able to, like, if you just, like, your membership should be able to get it back, Mindy. So, like, once you get your membership, it just gives it back to you. Um, yeah. I think there's, like, a period that, like, I don't know what the length is, but yeah, I think you should be fine. You should be fine. Yeah, face. Okay, fine. I will. I'll pull up face for you. Farze. Yeah, 35. Yeah, you're very. These penny stocks like you, Donald. Congratulations, by the way. Yeah, 28 was a really good spot because it's at 36 cents now. Remember the scams? Yeah. Remember the scam stock, Mindy? Remember Farze at $10? Well, that thing was at 12 cents last week, and then it pumped because they had a new contract. But 36 cents, crazy, right? No, no, no. No, you can. No, the cheap one should be. I think it. Yeah, the cheap one should be good for you, Mindy. You should still be able to get it. Um, yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Management. What a crook. Oh, yeah. I mean, since day one. Yeah, TRKA. What is it at? Oh, it's been delisted. Wait. Oh yeah, OTC. TRKAQ. You cannot believe in these companies. You just can't. You can't. There's not a company that you can believe in unless it's a. I mean, like unless they print a lot of money, right? Unless they print a lot of money. You should have it back now, Mindy. Yeah. Okay, it's back. Yeah. It's back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's up, Pizza? Good morning. What's up, YouTube's testing? Testing. It's working. Here you have it. Yeah. No, it's always interesting. I think at the end of the year, we should go back and look at all these stocks we have, though. So yeah, MMAT is doing a split, 100 to 1, right? The stock is, I mean, they have to. Uh, 0.5 cents. 5 cents. Crazy. Oh wow. That thing pushed a little bit there and then immediately dropped. CM, did you move your stop? Or did you? So that thing bounced a little bit. Again, really good entry. Really good entry. 38. Minimal bounce. And then immediately dropped. So, yeah, quite annoying. Quite annoying. If it's good or bad. It's usually good. Usually. When I say, oh, wow, it's usually a good thing. Usually. Anyways, I still think though PCSA has been the stock of the day just because of the way that it played out. There goes CYN. Josh, new highs of the day there for CYN. So, well, not including pre-market. Pre-market highs closer to 24.50, but yeah, that thing is pumping, pumping. This was also a nice retest of the 200. Pumping. There goes new highs officially. 25 cents. Uh, if Mindy could sell some, that would be nice. Yeah, there goes 25 cents lion. 25. 25, 25. La la la. There we go. Yeah, Mindy, you see the S&P though? See those puts? That thing just keeps flying, doesn't it? The market only go up these days. Into CYN, yeah. That randomly got deposited into your account. You're going to put it into the stock market, like we said. Okay, okay, sounds good. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Nice. Very nice. Na 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 na. It's better than playing with some of the some of the crazy names. La la la. Here we go. JL. Yeah, I need to pull up JL just because it looks like PCSA is still fighting for that 750 780 resistance range. So yeah, there it goes. 760. There it goes. 765. It's a pretty impressive comeback. And then PCSA is doing the exact same thing. It's trying to cut back. So a nice little double pivot at like 480. Not quite a retest of a breakout, but it's trying to go again. So your next resistance is 540, 550. And then you're looking for the highs of the day. So yeah, yeah, yeah. How do you randomly monies? Yeah. Does it say who the money is from? Yeah. Does it say who the money is from, Mindy? Usually it tells you like, hey, this money is from this and from that, from this person. Or you could. I know you hate Tesla. You could get some. You're looking at Microsoft. Yeah, the issue with some of these names is they're so damn high. You know. Yeah, Microsoft consider. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I do like. I do think I like Microsoft more than Apple actually. Yeah, I think Apple is cool, but almost like and they consistently make money, which is amazing. Um, yeah, so that's a really good thing. Or you could it's a dividend from a you get in once a year. Oh wow, okay, that's cool. That's very cool. So that's a nice dividend. That's a very nice dividend. Yeah, it's a very nice dividend. I know, right? We keep saying they're high, and then they just keep pumping and pumping and pumping. Mindy could buy some Tesla on a discount though. Oh, you forgot until this morning. Okay, I see. Where Sky? Hey, yo, good morning. How's the trip? How's the trip? Yeah, very low volume. Yeah, let me pull it up. So we wanted to watch this one yesterday, especially. Why? Because again, I mean, look at what happened last night when we were talking about it, right? We were talking about this IPO because it came down into the close and then it just kind of sat there and it's consolidated and consolidated and consolidated. This is usually a good thing for an IPO, closing above the IPO price and consolidating, and then it popped, right? And then I mean, it just kept going, right? So it's done really well. So if you got in below $7, I'm sure you're very happy. It does have really low volume though, like it's 300,000 shares. It's not a whole lot. So for now, maybe this is just something to put on watch. Why? Because I mean, your resistance is pretty damn close, right? Like your resistance is right there. Risk reward. But yeah, we'll see if we get a breakout. Will be entirely ran on your phone. Yeah, yeah. There are companies that you don't doubt that because they make money, right? Apple, you don't doubt they print monies. I think we had questions around Facebook and Meta, but these guys make monies. You know, um, Apple makes monies, and with that they can spin into like any other business they want. I bet you the next thing Apple comes out with is gonna be pretty damn cool. Going to be like, hey, we're coming out with AI this. They've obviously talked about the EV vehicles, stuff like that. I don't know if that's something they're actually going to do, but we have seen the worst of the worst days with nice companies. Oh yeah, for sure. CYN is on fire. So congratulations if you're holding this one. Lion, yeah, that thing is on fire. 26 cents. So congratulations if you're holding this one. Yeah, 26.41. Okay. Yeah. Yep. It just said bye, Greg. Bye. Holding since the news. Beautiful. Congratulations. When they are, it's always best. La gets the AI. La 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 la. Yeah. Exactly. Remember space? Yeah. Space is in the abyss. So JL is, yeah, JL really has low volume, but it's slowly creeping up. Slowly creeping up. And then there goes SXTC with a new double bottom, right, at 210. 210 space. Space is another trash company. Like again, I for some reason like my stuff is like my trading view is super glitchy today. I think it's Canada Wi-Fi, but yeah, it glitched for a second. The entire screen glitched for a second. There's space. Yeah, for some reason those charts are not showing up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, space is at $2. I remember when this thing was at $70. I'm holding a virus. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's another trash one. Anyways, another trash name. Yep, all of them. Worthless. All of them. But then it never gets above $3 pre split price. Musty. Yeah. HKD. Yeah. No stories. Um, HKD is at you're in at 407. My goodness, look at that, 407. See, this is one that like I honestly would not be surprised if these guys had a this back. This is one that I would not be surprised if it rallied again at some point. HKD, so it's done a good job consolidating. Shannon at $4. It's done a really good job holding $4 actually. So yeah, I would not be surprised if at some point HKD said, you know what? I think they're unlocking a whole bunch of shares this year, right? Yeah, 2024, August of 2024. So they're going to need a run at some point. Otherwise, that this is going to get ugly and they're going to need a split. So JL is still creeping up here slowly, slowly, slowly. Yeah, Lion, it looks like we failed just before getting to 2640. You've been picking up some Lucid shares? Yeah, that's another one of these scary companies. Another one of the scary companies. Anyways, no, 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 no. 1 week to your first, 1 week to my first Vegas trip. Can I make some gambling monies today, please, Wes? Absolutely. Just don't go to the casino, you know. Peter. Anyways, if you're gonna go to the casino, don't take Peter with you. Take Josh with you. Okay. Josh will show you the good machines. Peter only goes to the machines when they're ready to replenish. Oh, the gift. Yeah, this is what happens when you're holding these stocks, you know, and you diamond hand them.
I should have seen that one coming.
Yep, no stop loss to the abyss. Yep. Anyways, okay, we need something else that looks like it's ready to break out. A little bit slow. A little bit slow. Again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. For tips, okay. No, don't worry. Just ask Josh. Where's Josh? Josh, some gambling tips. No, no, no. But you play for fun? No, that's the way to do it, Wes. I don't think yeah. You take some money you're willing to lose, I guess, and then yeah. What if you keep losing money in stop losses? What if this always hits? Jasmine, then your entry is not good enough. If you're constantly losing money with stop losses, then your entry is not good enough. And then maybe you need to look at all the stop losses and see if you can change something. Working areas. uh, CIS, CISS, CISS. CISS. This is the problem with low volume stocks is they move in either direction really quickly. CISS. Yeah. I mean, so that thing is hitting obvious resistance there, Kimbella, right? Market open price is usually a problem. So supply zones, right? AOTESH, right? So yeah, market opening levels are usually a problem. Yeah, it hit resistance. Yeah, let's go. Anyway, so with PCSA, this one still seems a bit confused. We've talked about the fact that they might need to do an offering at some point, but again, this was perfection, right? So double top, right? Resistance double top. We wait for that right sell off to the double bottom or triple bottom, whatever you want to call it, and then the breakout. Right. To me, what I really like about this, what I really like about this chart is that it's done something that we talk about every single day. Right. We have the double top, we have the breakout, but then if you miss that breakout right there, like right here on the right hand side, you don't have to play that. Right. What you need to look for then is the retest of the breakout, and this was perfection. This right there, you don't need to catch the bottom. What you need to look for is the curl back above, right? If you need to, if you want to be safe, wait for that curl and then boom skis, right? From $3 and from $3.70 all the way to almost $6. That was a nice quick run. So now it just seems a bit confused. It seems like it's consolidating in a demand zone. So if we can stay above 490, that's not too bad. But at the end of the day, if we're gonna need to run here, we need to get back above like $5.40 already. CYN looks like it's breaking out again. So nice. Very nice. Relentless. Ayo. Yeah, it is a nice breakout. From Pikachu, you're never getting it back. Never, ever getting it back. With put options on PSQH, 5x your money in 2 days. Wow, wow, Michael. To hot trades, warrants made me some big bucks then. Beautiful. Congratulations, Michael. I'm glad you're a member now. Well done. Welcome. Yeah, I don't think you signed up for the Discord level though, by the way, Michael. So if you want to join Discord, I think you have to upgrade to the Discord level, or the Legend level, or the Gold level. One of those levels. Alrighty. With Relentless, where have you been? You've been slacking, haven't you? You've been slacking. So it looks like yeah, we hit a new supply zone there, and then okay, that level is not coming from any point today. So 27, and then back to 25. RDHL, I think that thing had a bigger float. Musty, honestly, yep, that's it, Musty. Mm, okay. Na, 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 na. LVTX is trying to come back. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. So Kimbella, I'm not sure if you're in that position. I'm not sure if you're in CISS. It's trying. The good thing about this is that it came back down after hitting resistance, but then stayed above the 9 and the 200. So that's a good thing. Alrighty. So if it can break above like 1770 and stay above it, then you're looking for 1820. So yeah, not too bad. Yeah, yeah. There you go. We're asking the chat, what was your biggest win from watching hot trades? Tell me about it. Let's go. Yeah, that's a good question, actually. Yeah, let us know. What's your biggest win from the community? Thank you for the super chat, Michael. I really appreciate that. Thank you. I do watch. Don't really type much, but you're back. Let's go with the bag. Let's go, relentless. Let's go. Welcome back. Welcome back. You didn't, Kimbella? That's okay. It's okay. Let's go, Sky. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, no, Sky's a vibe. I like Sky. I like Sky. We yeah. Sky's a vibe for sure. Yes, yes, yes. Whenever we do a Vegas trip, Sky's invited for sure. For sure, for sure. Since there is no financial advice. Yes, you're right. The Hot Trades family was the biggest win. Let's go, virus. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I need to save that musty and then it's just pressing the sub button. Tesla falls out of favor. Giant Eli is solid container to take the company's place. Huh. Interesting. Like out of favor. Where are you getting that article from, Pepe? Tesla falls out of favor. La, la, la. What? Who? Where's that from? Hmm. Oh, it has music. Oh, okay, never mind then. Because then I just end up dealing with problems. There goes PCSA, guys. It's done a really good job holding the bottom of the demand zone, so it just needs to break out. Done a really good job holding the bottoms. There goes $5.40. If we can actually close above 540, 550, and then the highs of the day, 586, 585. Candle hasn't closed yet though. Candle hasn't closed yet. La, 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 la. Let's go. Oh, by the way, Michael, that was there goes the breakout. Ooh, that was your first super chat ever. Let's go. My first. So YouTube says let's celebrate the first super on a live stream. Beautiful. Love it. Michael, I'm gonna send you a link, okay? So this is your invites to join Discord. So all you have to do is click this link. You can save it for now if you want to, but at some point click the link uh, and then follow the steps in the getting started channel, and it's gonna unlock all the other channels for you. So welcome, 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 welcome. $5.68. That's a nice push. Again, beautiful green zone, right? Demand zone, green zone, and then boom skis. Straight to the supply zone, the red zone. DWAC is bouncing. Okay. Yeah, CYN, again, we hit a nice little red zone at the top and then backed off. Back off. Straight to the 50. This might actually be a retest of the breakout. If we can stay above 2350, 2340 for CYN. And went. Isn't that crazy, right? It's funny because we were just talking about stocks that used to do well that are in the abyss now, right? Yeah, no. UCAR was at $80. It's below $1 now. Well, it's breaking out. You FOMO easiest scalp call out. Let's go. Oh, you FOMOed into oh yeah, you FOMOed into PCSA, the breakout. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Justin, love it. La, 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 la. Yeah, we're going for that. Oh my goodness, there goes new highs of the day. Boom, boom skis. PCSA has been the name today, unless you played with RVSN. But PCSA has been quite nice. I like the price action. It's a lot easier and to navigate. Nice little consolidation, and then for now you have a problem though at 480. Why? Because 480 is your double top. They oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my right? Oh my goodness. Again, you should not be buying that thing at that price in the first place. Why? Because it's a double top, right? You do not buy double tops, right? Again, you buy the bottom of the consolidation or you look for the breakout. If you look to buy exactly at the double top, then you have a problem, right? Look to the left hand side. The last time we got to 580, what happened? We dipped to this exact same spot, and it's done it again. Exactly what happened in the past happened again. not repeating, rhyming. Anyways, so yeah, there you go. So if you forward into this thing at 480, it's a double top. Do not buy the double tops unless it's a breakout or a retest. Alrighty, so for now, support around like 480, 490. Cool, cool, cool. Not repeating, Brent. It's rhyming, you know, on which you use PCSA right about now. I can only do two options. Yeah, you might need to get a separate broker, Michael, just for shorts. I don't know if Weibo. I don't think Weibo does it nicely, but I know TradeStation does it. I'm sure there are some other platforms that do it. You know. Okay, LVTX. You're gonna steal it? Yeah, that's a nice little bounce actually. Yeah, it looks like we bounced off $2 and then a higher low. So if we can break above 220 and actually stay above 220, that would be nice. And then 230 is the biggest level for this thing here. Yeah, it's curling. One short, one long accounts. You cannot make a with your current broker. Oh, so I think it's the entire broker must see like so. Robinhood doesn't even like offer it. I don't think. Right, so then you almost need like a separate broker, right? Or you can again, so if you have like if you're using a broker that offers shorting, you can just use one broker. So then you don't even need two accounts. Well, you need two accounts, like one account for longs, one account for shorts. So if it's a broker that offers, then you're fine. You just have two different accounts because like I have accounts like that. One is like more like for longs and then for shorts. um yeah. So CYN looks like it actually came back for the retest, guys, which is nice, right? And then it's bouncing back up there. CYN, ONCO, okay, ONCO. Yeah, it's a nice little double bottom there, actually. 33 cents. 33 cents. Not bad. Not bad at all. Small caps are a problem. Yeah, when it comes to shorts, yeah, because these dudes want to short on their own, you know. Would have pumped two now. Yep, yep, yep. Well, it depends. It depends. Depends the type of small cap you're referring to, Musty. Depends. That's crazy though. Spy's done really well. My goodness. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, it's breaking down, isn't it? Yeah. See, the good thing with the previous levels is you could actually see it consolidating. In this case, that's why consolidation is really important. You know, um, in this case, you can clearly see that it's getting there and it's not holding. Like it's fat volume candles, right? There's a difference between like the previous two versus this one. Also, when it's testing something like multiple times, you want to be very careful. Yeah, they do, Tony. So TD allows shorting on margin accounts. They are to borrow for these penny stocks. No, they're terrible. Like honestly, Canada is terrible when it comes to shorts. That's why like I don't really do it anymore. Like they're terrible for these smaller stocks. Terrible. You're gonna have to put an order in, and then it's gonna say then you're gonna be waiting because you have to wait for it to be approved, right? So and then it's gonna say rejected and then rejected. You have no idea how many times I tried shorting Mullen and AMC and BBIG after the splits. After every split, I would go try to short it, and then it would say rejected, rejected, short, rejected. Those potentially would have been the easiest shorts ever. Easiest shorts to print and pump the market. Probably, probably. I mean, election cycles. These guys want the market. People feeling good about the market. At least, I'm surprised this isn't something they're pumping or like mentioning. Uh, yeah. Okay, cool. Um, la, 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 la. That's really funny. uh, yeah. If this thing gets above the view up, stays above the view up, okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. We shall see. There goes CYN. CYN is another perfect chart. Beautiful. Nice little curly. Same supply zone though. It tanked. Yeah, that thing just never gave us anything. So same supply zone for CYN. So just be aware of that. And then for PCSA, until this thing consolidates at some point, it's kind of meh, right? LVTX is looking good actually, looking good. This is one of those cases, honestly, where like you're taking a potential gamble at a psychological level, and it ends up working, right? Like $2, you're like, you know what? Let me try $2. I'm gonna set my stop loss at $1.99, right? And then it's like, okay, higher low, higher low, higher low. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. Okay. Yeah. I'll come back to this because I think I want to watch that. DWAC? DWAC is my goodness, DWAC. Sheesh. It was only a matter of time. Like this thing had to come back down, right? There's not a real catalyst for these things other than like hype, right? So from 50, what was it, $58 back to $33. Chaos. Chaos. Anyways. So the next the next votes should be exciting. Should be exciting. La, la, la. Yeah. No, no, no. Uh, a gambler? Yeah, Rich loves that play. Could you quickly take a look at SMCI? You have a long position at 488. SMCI. You were printing on this thing, weren't you? Printing, printing, printing. That's a good question, Virus. Um, hmm, do you yeah, long position? Do you have a stop loss in this position, Tony? Yeah, but hella spready. Yeah, also like it's very extended. I think it's very extended. Like it still looks really good, but it's very extended. But you re-entered because you bought right there. Your entry is right here. That's your entry right there. So you basically bought this thing at like you bought that thing at all-time highs almost. Right, it looks amazing, but also I mean look at the run it's had though. Right, I think it's had an incredible run. So for now, honestly, again, it looks really good. My only concern is that the market is so extended. At some point, any day now, the market is going to say, hey guys, you know that dip you were looking for? Here it is, minus 3%. Right? That's the problem now with the market. So when you're buying these things like at all-time highs, it becomes a problem. So for now, you just have to find a stop loss. Find like your max loss and set a stop loss. Yeah. $10 at a time. It really is a ridiculous run. Like that's a run. The last time this thing had a red candle was at 322. To 422 to almost 500. That's a crazy run. So yeah, when you're buying stuff that's this extended, you really have to put a stop loss. Yeah, so find a stop loss now. Say, you know what, I'm not willing to go below this price, and then hopefully it goes up. You think you're less than 2 weeks? Yeah, I'm almost expecting like Powell on Wednesday to come to open his mouth and be like, and then the market says, what? What? I mean, like, how much more could we run at this point? They have earnings on Monday. Okay. La 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 la. La, 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 la. Earnings finish first. Yeah. Yes. 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 Okay. Hmm. La 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 la. Yeah, I think so. This week, I think we've mostly today's Thursday, right? So I think we've mostly gone over the Intel. Okay, Intel and Visa. Intel Visa report today. All the other ones are just meh. Well, Visa is the big one. These guys usually beat though, because people always spend money. It's interest rates. It pumped and had to sell the news type events. Yeah, when stuff pumps like this into earnings, I'm always a bit concerned. Anyways, Wes, you spend time out and then in. I know I haven't, Brent. Maybe it's because of Peter pizza. Maybe that's why. All of you Californians. Yeah, no, with that performance, yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. LVTX still holding the 200s. That thing is so slow. Hundreds of dollars ago, yeah, right. Yep, yep. Is anybody buying the Tesla dips or Tesla's going to the abyss? Tesla looks like it's going to $50. Tesla is going to $50. I'm kidding, by the way. Uh, they also said, oh wow, there you go. That thing said slow. Who are you calling slow? Issued 134 million shares, but in the filing they said between. Why would they fund? Huh? Interesting. Yeah, I don't know, Musty. Usually you want to do the yeah. Hmm. Unless I bet you they're getting a ridiculous discount, Musty. There has to be some type of incentive because I don't know why any company would accept that offer. Yeah, give me these many shares and then split it after. Absolutely not. So there's usually something like these market makers know what's coming. Yeah. 141. My Tesla looks ugly. Ugly. Ugly, ugly. That's crazy virus. Crazy, crazy. AMTD profits 150% year over year. Cool. RVSN is slowly creeping up again. Yeah, RVSN actually has a really nice double like demand zone, and it just keeps bouncing off the demand zone. 680, 680 to 670. But then it has a whole lot of supply close to 750. But yeah, the issue that okay, yeah, I'm sure they're gonna find a way to benefit from that. Musty, you hope it's positive, you know. Uh, of the pickpockets, Mark, when you go to Vegas for Wes, uh, and 0-0 the green, and blackjack is your best bet. You're working. You're in at 7, Larry. Okay, you're green at that position for now. At 72, yeah, I think somebody was pissed, Jeff. They're like, you know what? It's breaking below 74 cents. What the hell am I doing in here? Get rid of it. So AM, Frank, AMSC, AMSC. Can you take a look? You're looking for an entry, okay? So, I think ran all the way to $14 today, 13.80 from $11. Dang. And then just immediately went to the abyss. I mean, so if you look to the left hand side, like the levels that it's kind of held above, like it's held above $11, right, in pre-market and twice at the open. So closer to $11 is what I would be looking for, Frank, without actually letting it go below $11. You don't want it below $11, but you want your entry close to $11. Ready? So wherever you decide to buy at, just don't let it go below $11. So stop loss at 10.99 or something. CISS. Is it pushing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Finally broke out. Cup and handle. A nice cup and handle, Bernie. Bernie. Yeah. Cup handle breakout. And it's saying bye. 1940. 19 cents. Not bad. Yeah, the one thing I don't like about LVTX is that it looks like it's going up, but then it just disappoints. And it's done that quite a bit today. Right? It looks like it's trying to go up, but then it just disappoints. I hate when stocks do that. Hate. RVSN 750 resistance. Data zero. Follow my channel for live technical analysis. Thank you. I'll follow soon. Okay. Right after I ban you. Oh my goodness, Jason. Wow. uh, you know how AMC ifs what they call what did they call people that have RNS? They call RNS. RNS? Huh, that's a good question, Jason. Yep. La, 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 la. Vegas Casino is good to you, and I'll lose your butt cheeks. Yeah, 25 cents. La la. I don't know when Tony's gonna become a member. You know, Virus. Where Tony? When? When? PCSA dipping. Okay, let me take a look at CCTG. Yeah, Rich, this one did really well yesterday. Maybe that was a sign. That little candle from after hours to $18. Maybe that was a sign. You got stopped out, Justin? Yeah. You just failed to hold support. Nice double bottom for CCTG this morning at 1350. Nice double bottom. Nice push. Not the best volume, but it's moving in the right direction, you know? Moving in the right direction. Cool. Wow, look at that. 1677, just like that. My goodness. Crazy. That's because of the volume and the spread. The volume and the spread. $50 is what you're looking for? We'll break above $18 first. Pre-market after our highs. After our highs. 1680. $17. My goodness. The spread on this thing is like 50 cents. It is all over the place. All over the place. And it skips 20 cents. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. La, 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 la. Only thing in Vegas is the Sphere, yeah, and the Raiders. Yes, nice, nice. From $17 to $16, crazy spread. Crazy spread. We're offering 137 million shares of common stock. Yeah, that's usually what it says, though, Musty. That's just a general thing. That's always the number. Well, for most some of these stocks, it's very common for companies to say that, like 0.0000. Some companies will just say it, but some of them just, yeah. But it's never that, actually. Like, it's never that price, though. I just want to be your friend. Tony doesn't want to be be anybody's friend. Slow climb. Yeah. Guess I could edit that template. Oh yeah, I can. Cool. when you exit SMCI, okay, nice. Exit. Come on, sell it. I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, RVSN is going back up again. 750, same resistance. Anywhere between 750 and 780. But that's a nice bottom. That's a really nice bottom. So 750, 780 resistance. SMCI. So it's not outrageous value in the company. Yeah, no, it looks like a solid company. I think the only issue is that it's been pumping so much. You know, like it's gone. It's like it's had a crazy rally without really having a proper dip. So will it continue to do that? Who knows? Who knows? Hopefully they get a nice surprise on earnings. A nice surprise on earnings. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah. Virus so too early. That's crazy because the gains, looking at that thing, that's ridiculous. That's crazy, virus. From 9 cents to $1.43, and now they're at like $2.30. From 9 cents to $2.30. That's crazy, virus. Hmm. Yeah, 310. Yeah, that's trash. And then the other ones went from 20 cents to 660. Damn. It's frustrating when you catch something and you're in at the right price, but then it does that without you, you know? It's like, well, yeah, no halts. Yeah. But then again, like it's not really doing anything ridiculous though. If you think about it, the price itself is quite high, right? If it was a stock that came from like $5 and it was playing in this range, it would be getting halted. But no, it's been around this price, like $13, $14. So then, like these candles are not exactly like a 10%, 15% pop, right? Because it needs to be like a pop like that, Rich, for it to be halted. RVSN is trying to break out, isn't it? Trying to. 750 is a problem, but it's fighting. Another one with a stupid spread. Calling it a day. Okay, sounds good, Justin. See you tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Let's see if does that to me. I'm not selling. See, now this is gonna be the one. But anyways, hopefully not. Na 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 na. Uh, Pivots. Okay, perfect. You have to stay in, coach. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yeah, have a yeah. What do we have? 15 minutes left. Yeah, 15 minutes left, and then I have to go do some other things. Have to go do some one-on-ones. Okay, perfect. Yeah, looks like we're failing at 750 again. So not a huge surprise because it is resistance. CYN looks like it's selling off, but watch for 2023.50 here for support. CYN. Yeah, PCSA is trying to curl now too. Trying to curl. LVTX is just annoying. You're in fun at 29 cents? Hmm. Fun, fun, fun. PH. 29. I mean, yeah, that's not a bad entry at all, Coin. Not bad at all. Not bad. I wish that these guys had another like Trump events coming up next week. I think that would have been nice. That would have been nice. So yeah, we'll see. We shall see. Na 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 na. Uh, 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 no. It's grabbing the who, Trisha? Yeah, grabbing the sap. Yeah, it's bouncing. It looks really good now. Um, what's interesting is like it almost came back to the breakout actually. I think we were 5 cents away from the breakout. Yep. And there goes another push. Yep. No. Does it have the vibe still? That's the question. That's the question, right? So until honestly, Wes, until they the view app, I was like, who? Where? The sap? Like what's a sap? No, so until that thing and until we have another catalyst, I think yeah, I'd be careful. Unless you're just taking little gambles and then setting side stop. When you're trading too fast, yes. Hopefully you scalped that thing. Hopefully you scalped it. Thank you, Jasmine. Uh, is a sad story? What do you mean? Why? Just because it's at resistance? RVSN? Thank you, Virus. Thank you. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom. PayPal is having an event. PayPal. Maybe Virus needs to buy some PayPal calls. Some PayPal calls. PayPal is actually nice and green today too. It's been green for. Interesting. I don't like that it's below the 200 though, but yeah. Maybe yeah. Virus, go buy some PayPal calls. Some PayPal calls. As long as PayPal stays above 62.70 though. 62.70. And there goes CCTG. It's that low volume rich. Like it's all over the place. yeah, Wes. Yeah, that's why I'm telling Virus to go buy some calls. The CEO said he's gonna shock the world. Whatever that means. I don't know what that means, but so that's what he's saying. Okay, perfect. Payment method. Yes. True. Very true. This one's gaining a bit of attention too, Wes. NAOV. A little bit of unusual volume. That thing usually has 30,000 in volume. It's at 82,000 this morning. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but it has a bit of interesting volume. A little bit of interesting volume. So I will save this one for the unusual volume. Take a look at CSP, the teaspoon. 36 cents. That's a nice looking, well, I mean, it's a nice looking bottom if we can hold it. Yeah, it's bounced really nicely off like 30 cents, Wes. Okay, that's the daily. Only problem now is we're sitting at 40 cents here. 40 cents in the daily is not exactly like a spot I would like to enter at, you know. You're better off waiting for a dipski to the 200 or waiting for a breakout. Waiting for a breakout. Yeah, that was a nice little spot on the daily though. Nice gamble after a massive sell-off like that. Massive sell-off. 75? Virus is in. Yeah, 39 resistance. 40 cents. Slow. uh, who said bye? Musty? uh, Earlier this week, I exited too soon. Still Green made $18,000, but look back on the. And then again, you never know. Yeah, exactly, Tony. As long as you, I mean, that's ridiculous monies. Like you make that's ridiculous monies, anyways. So I wouldn't worry about it, especially on a name like that. Right? That's crazy and all over the place. I would not worry about missing out on. Yeah. I think they did. I think PayPal did. Is that Elon? Mm, well then, yeah. Perspective looks decent. The chart is really rough. Yeah, I liked it. I think we posted it a few times. TSP actually broke about 40 cents. Wes, that thing says screw your 40-cent resistance. Screw your 40 cents resistance. I don't know, like stuff like this though, like it looks beautiful if you're in there, like nothing to worry about. But then when you start looking for that brand new position, it's like, okay, am I okay buying at this price? Or yeah, you're gonna need some consolidation or a sell-off at some point. Yeah, looks good though. CYN still playing games. Yeah, no. If you look at like the daily chart for PayPal, it doesn't look bad at all. It does not look bad at all. Here we go. Mm, mm. If it goes below, I think I honestly like a lot higher than that. Like if it goes below 62.70, I think yeah. Yep. Honestly, this level was always going to be a problem. That level that it's failing at, it was always going to be a problem. Like right there, right there, right there. If you look to the left hand side, like your initial bounce, and then you look to your like fail, yeah, this level was always going to be a problem for PayPal. A problem for PayPal. Cool, 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 cool. So now what you're hoping for is a nice little cup and handle there, Virus. Hoping. Yep. Hopefully they say something nice. Like PayPal is gonna buy Twitter and send Elon Musk back into hiding. Kidding. Yeah, 61. Yeah, it's all the way down there though. That's the. I don't know if you're willing to go all the way to 61. Yeah, yeah. No, we've I mean we've spammed PayPal in Discord quite a bit, quite a bit, quite a bit. It's one of those names that like really didn't run with everything else. Which raises and see no, no, no. Just before the earnings are released. No, 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 175. Cool. Jason, yeah, Jason has been yes. LVTX. At least this thing is held $2. There goes another pop, guys, for CYN. Same level West. Exact same bottom. Right, 23.50, 23.50, 23.50. 23.50. And TSP is, wow, 41 pennies. I mean, the spread is not exactly 41, like it's all over the place, but still, not bad. Not bad. RVSN is trying to break out again. 750. 760. 762. Can it actually close though? And PCSA is also trying to break $5 again. So these two things almost seem to run together. PCSA and RVSN. RVSN. La, 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 la. La, la, la. 765. Was a dead stock this week, and they said nope. Yeah, no, it's actually done quite well. This is day 3 of a rally, which is nice. Surprising. Anyways, yeah, no, PayPal is still holding up there for now. Virus still holding up. It would have been nice if this thing was still at 85 cents. 85 cents. Yeah, boomskis. Oh yeah, that thing took off. Yep, there goes your breakout. All right. As soon as that candle closed above 750, it was gone. For 95 breakout, yeah, it's gone skis. New highs of the day. It's a very nice push. Very, very nice push. So congratulations again, breakout, right? Break, close above 750, and then it said bye bye guys. Bye bye. So that's almost and then it's dropping back to the exact same level. This is why honestly, like you try and catch it off the breakout zone, because if you don't, you know it's gonna come back at some point. The danger with like trying to FOMO into something that broke out 50 cents higher is you know where it's going to at some point, right? So, yep, there goes the retest. It's a weird retest, though. It's a quick retest. Not exactly the type of retest you want to see. Yeah. Not exactly the type of retest you want to see. Uh, what happened, Samuel? Did I miss your question? I must have missed your question. Oh, I missed your question. Anyways, good morning. What do you think DWAC will do from here? It's dropping bad. I remember you saying it needs $33. You got caught it at 42. Yeah. So again, and like I said this on Tuesday, right? Was it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday, right? Or one of those days, right? Again, I said this clearly, like this thing is gonna run, it's gonna gap up on the news, but it's going to sell off. Either whatever happens, it's going to sell off. Right? If everybody's looking forward to like a specific catalyst, like, oh my goodness, Trump is gonna win on Tuesday, as soon as he wins, it's done. Because there's nothing else to look forward to. So the next time this thing is gonna run is when people look and say, oh wow, okay, this, he's gonna win this one too, or like there's something else coming up. Right? For now, you honestly, again, I'm not sure why you don't have a stop loss, Samuel. I wish you had a stop loss, because to go from 42 to 32 is pretty annoying, right? So it, like, if it can just stay above like 32 to $30, I think you're going to be fine, right? At some point there will be another catalyst. Like at some point, something else is going to show up for a catalyst, and then it's going to run again, right? Fun is going to run again. DWAC is going to run again. um, but the problem is when you buy when everybody's selling, you have a problem. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Next time use a stop loss, right? When everybody's smiling and they're like, "Oh my goodness, Trump is gonna win. It's going to $100." That's when you should be scared. That's when you should be scared. Brent says, "What are your thoughts on? Can you get to $12 in a squeeze? What's your position, Brent? What's your position?" I don't mean like how many shares you're holding, like just your entry price. Let me know. So RVSN. Some nice moves. Very nice moves. I'll catch it for you guys. Yep. Yes, yes. Okay. 268. Oh my goodness. Wow. See, like if you have an entry like that, you don't even need to worry about like, where is it going to go to? You just have to close your eyes, Brent, and say, you know what? I'd be happy with $7. Okay, stop loss. I'd be happy with $6. Okay, stop loss. And then if it goes to $12, you just keep moving it up, move it up, move it up, move it up, and then you can take profits eventually, right? Just because whatever answer I give you, again, it looks really good. Like it's impressive how well it's holding up, and it looks like it wants to keep pumping. Like everything points to yes, yes, yes. But you never know, and you don't want to concern yourself with stuff that's out of your control, anyways. La, 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 la. And the RVSN looks good. There's a wall at 910. That's quite a ways higher though. So I would only worry about like your entry for now and your current stop loss, and then move that thing as it goes higher. La, 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 la. Okay. Uh, what do I think of ONCO? You're in at 33 cents. Okay. And it's, yeah, let me take a look. ONCO. It looks like LVTX is actually trying to go for a bit of a run here. That $2 level actually has been a nice little bottom, hasn't it? Yeah, 216. Hopefully this time it actually goes for a run. 217. Yeah, let me take a look at ONCO. ONCO. Anyways, I'll pretend like I didn't see your comments, Mindy. So Sinan, congratulations. You have a nice entry. Alrighty, so yeah, your entry is pretty damn good. Your entry is a pretty sweet bottom at 33 cents. Your next resistance is close to 42 to 42.50 to 43 cents. So you have a really good entry. Just keep moving your stop loss higher, right? Your next resistance will be again like closer to this double top that we hit at the open. Trouble or double? Well, so the closer you get to this that supply zone, the more. Uh, oh my goodness. Disaster. Yeah. I've never been so pissed off waking up from sleep. Unbelievable. I was pissed. Pissed. Anyways. It was one of those days, Mindy. Anyways. La, 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 la. Perfect. Yup. Exactly. LVTX is actually sending it this time. Sending it 220. It's trouble. It really is, Peter. You do it again? I don't know if I would. I don't know if I would. I don't know if I would. Yeah, I want peace of mind now, you know? Anyways. Nah. Nothing worked. Nothing. CYN? No, so CYN is back to that same demand zone. AA, what's your position, by the way? I think you've asked and I just missed, or I've kind of missed your question. Sorry. What's your, like, it looks good. It's been bouncing up 23.40, 22, 23.50, 20, 23.60. So that's not a bad level. I'm just not sure what your position is. Yeah, is a yeah. So yeah, again, anywhere below 24 here. Already, it's been bouncing off that level constantly. My only concern is that it's getting a bit weaker. Like it's giving you lower highs. AA. That's my only concern. But yeah, I mean, as long as it holds that demand zone already, hopefully that answers your question. Yeah. Na, 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 na. 28, so you can get out. Okay, sounds good. Hopefully you're not red though, waiting. Okay, sounds good, Virus. Have a wonderful rest of the afternoon. I'll talk to you in Discord. See you later. See you later. See ya later. Yeah, no, this is a nice little pop for ONCO. Nice pop, 41 cents. He's a West Place. West Place. By the way, you have no idea. I mean, you're making money though, so you're green on that position. So just put a stop loss and just keep moving it up, right? It's going for 42 cents now. Like you got in at the perfect spot without knowing, so that's very lucky, right? You got in on the triple bottom, so 33 cents. It's going for 42. So oh, why is it pumping? They had news early this morning. They had some news earlier this morning, and then it gained momentum, and then it pumped, and then it crashed, and then it's pumping again. So yeah, it looks good. Um, I wouldn't focus on the news honestly. Just play the technicals and move on. Otherwise, you're gonna diamond hand this thing back to the abyss. If you let this thing go back to 33 cents, Sanan, I will ban you. Okay. Oh, na, 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 na. Oh, Mindy's looking for spots to put monies in. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. MGRX, 27 cents. Not bad, actually. Not bad at all. Not bad at all, especially at 26 cents with the all-time low at 25.60. Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Yeah, that's a swing play, right? So you're not really worried about like immediate scalps. Nice triple bottom in the demand zone. Yeah, that's not bad. Not bad, right? So kind of bounce and then same level. So not bad. As long as you have a nice stop loss, and this should be a pretty easy stop loss. Pretty easy stop loss. Greg, I have not. I just say it as an expression. RVSN is going again. New highs of the day. This thing looks nice, doesn't it? What's the share float? The share float is 7.3 million. So that's nothing for penny stock. Nothing for penny stock. Nothing at all. Yeah. 820. Yeah, easy stop loss actually. And a nice swing. That would be funny. No, I just say I'm gonna ban people, but I don't actually ban anybody for diamond handing position. Yeah, either that, Mindy, or take a look at NAOV or something. Seems to have a bit of momentum. Sounds good. $8.29. Oh yeah, that's the news. I'm surprised well, maybe it had a bit of a rally actually. Mango X brands. Events of the year. February 11. Oh, cool. Okay. La, 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 la. Yeah, it's an interesting company, isn't it? We've had fun with this name in the past. Yeah, not a bad gamble at all. At all. On ONCO still pumping there, 42.50. So it's looking really good. Uh, looking really good. Yeah, no, it's a safer play. It's an easier stop loss. Oh my goodness, look at RVSN. That thing is just straight fire. 870, 880 incoming. Oh my goodness, guys. What a crazy stock. What a crazy, crazy stock. Hmm. Na, 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 na. Pick a number you're happy with, Sinan. It looks really good. Pick a number you're happy with, like when it comes to gains, and set a stop loss. Say, hey, I'm up $50. I'm gonna set a stop loss at 25 or 29 or 28. I'm up $100. I'm gonna set a stop loss for $70. So do that. Alrighty. Alrighty. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys. I'm gonna hop off because I have to go do some one-on-ones. So last minute or so, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we will be in Discords. Alrighty. We will be in Discords. Alrighty. So again, if you're not a member yet, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. If you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots. Come join us. Make sure you sign up for the right level. Legend, Goats, or Discord community. Right? So, yeah. Alrighty, CM. See ya. See you in Discord. Jay, thank you very much. See you. M, see you later. See you later. Nah, nah, nah. See you later. Nah, nah, nah. Bye bye. Alrighty, William, peace. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully, Wes, hopefully. Thank you, Michael. See you. If again, we might come back in the. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you very much, M. Thank you for the super chat. Hopefully, see you guys in the afternoon. If the market isn't like super boring, then we can come back for the close. Alrighty, y'all. Blizzy, see you. Have a good afternoon as well. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.